Hi there, I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to our latest listing at 9 Driftwood Drive in Rosslyn. Come on in and take a look. Property really does offer more than meets the eye. I am absolutely obsessed with how much space you have and the amount of storage at the home. The huge corner kitchen flows effortlessly through to the dining and the open plan living and entertaining. Situated on a 710 metre square allotment with side access to the powered shed, what more could you want? Just a stone's throw to the harbour. If you like the look of this home, please do not hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We'd love to show you through.